Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT and Instagram to make money online. So recently with the rise of AI, people have been looking for ways to make money online with AI, and one of the ways that I've discovered is by using ChatGPT to make money on Instagram. So before we get into how you can make content using AI, I'm first going to talk about how you can monetize your fan base once you get a lot of followers. So most people know that Instagram doesn't have advertisements. So unlike platforms like YouTube, you're not going to be getting ad revenue for people clicking on your content. So you have to find other ways to monetize your content outside of just posting the content and making money. So the best way in my opinion is with sponsorships, because you can make thousands of dollars if you have an audience of like 10 or 100,000 followers by promoting sponsored products and doing deals with companies. And sponsorships can pay really well and benefit you even with a small fan base. And the second way you can monetize your account is by selling it on a website like FameSwap. So basically people go on that website to buy Instagram accounts and TikTok accounts, etc. that have a lot of followers. So if you have enough followers, you can sell your account for a lot of money once you decide you're done making content for the account or Instagram stops promoting your account as much. So for example, you can make an Instagram account and grow it to like 1,000 or 2,000 followers. Then while you're growing it, you continue to get sponsors and to make money. And then within a few months, maybe you stop getting as many comments and likes and interactions on your content. Then you can go to a website like FameSwap and then sell your account so that you can profit off of it now that it's getting less sponsorships. So now I'm going to show you how to produce content for your Instagram account with AI. So there's two different methods that I'm going to show you in this video. And the first one is using ChatGPT to create Instagram quotes. So right here is an example account that I found called Business Mindset 101. And their Instagram account with over 2.4 million followers, which is absolutely crazy. You can make a lot of money on sponsorships with that. And the content they post is just these simple quotes. So if you click on one of them, it just says, "And sometimes you win because you don't play." And then their name right here. As you can see here, they have these different images that they put up, and most of them are just black backgrounds, but sometimes they put images, and they're getting thousands of likes on each quote because people are relating to the quotes. So I'm going to show you how to make these quotes in less than 5 minutes. So the first step is to go to chat.openai.com because we're going to be using ChatGPT to make these quotes. And then we're going to ask ChatGPT a message. So you can just ask the AI to give me 100 original business quotes. And then within seconds, it's going to give us a list of 100 different quotes that we can use for our Instagram. So the quotes part of this is extremely easy. You can see here, these are all quotes, just like what's on this account. But there's still one more step to this, and that is to actually make a design with the quotes. But now we're going to go to a website called canva.com, but you can use Photoshop or any photo editing app you have like GIMP. They will all work for this. So you just go to the top right hand corner where it says create a design, and then we're going to go to Instagram post 1080 by 1080 pixels. So now we're going to take one of our 100 quotes into Canva, and we can do that by just copy and pasting it. Control C, Control V, it's as easy as that. So we have 100 quotes here. So if you uploaded a quote every single day, you have 100 days of posts. So it's really up to you on the design, but I would do something like this. And then we're going to go to text, and we're going to add another text right here. And this is going to be our name. So whatever your Instagram account is, you can just put a dash and then your account. So I'm just going to put business quotes, and I want to make it a different color as well. So I'm going to do a gray just to make it stand out. And then using Canva, you can also just go to effects, and in the top left corner here, there's all these different effects that you can do that are really easy to do. So I'm going to add a bit of a lift to this and change the intensity. So now we have a design with our quote and our Instagram account, but this bright white background isn't very good. So for our image here, to make it stand out, we're going to put some stock footage in the background, and we can do that by going to pexels.com. So Pexels.com is a stock photo website that offers royalty-free, completely free to use stock photos that you can use with no copyright whatsoever. And like I said, it's completely free. So we're going to use this because we can take any images from this website and use it on our quotes, and we won't get any copyright issues. So I'm going to look up business, and there's a lot of business images here that look good. And then we're going to take this one here. You can either download it or just copy the image. So I'm just going to paste my image in, and then we want to make it big enough so that it fits the entire quote. There we go. But now our text doesn't look very good because we have this image in the way. So I'm going to fix that by going up to effects, and I'm going to add a lift on this one as well. And I'm going to put the intensity about there. And now it makes it pop a little bit. I'm going to make the text white. Okay, so now the text is white so it stands out more. So now we can download this quote and upload it to Instagram. So here's a brand new Instagram account I made called Business Mentor, and we're going to upload our quote to this. So now we just take our downloaded Canva quote, and then we just drag it in here, and there we go. We have our quote, and we can zoom it in 1-to-1. It looks pretty good. It fits perfectly. And now we'll just upload it. We can even add filters if you want to. Now we can put a caption. So now we're going to take our quote and copy it and paste it in as the caption. So in less than 5 minutes, we were able to make a quote using ChatGPT. So if you do this every day for a few weeks, eventually you're going to start to get hundreds of followers, and then you can get sponsors on your Instagram account. Now these quotes have a hard time going viral and getting a lot of views. So this really only works long term because it's going to be low, but because they're so easy to make, you can do it in 5 minutes, and then eventually it'll be worth it. I'm going to show you a second way that you can make content for Instagram that actually has a huge potential to go viral so that you can get hundreds of thousands of followers on your Instagram account. So the second method I'm going to show you is with using a website called Opus Clip. So if you search up opus.pro, this is an AI that turns your video into viral clips so that you can upload them onto websites like Instagram and TikTok. So this is great for making extremely viral Instagram reels. So this works on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Snapchat. But for this video, we're going to do it specifically on Instagram Reels. So this is a paid AI, but it does have a free trial. So go to the top right-hand corner and click on Start Free Trial. And then you'll get 2 hours of trial minutes with no credit card required. And all you have to do is sign up with your Google account. So I signed up with my Google account. And now I have 2 hours completely free of video credits that expire in 31 days. So now we're on this landing page here. You can either drop in a video file or you can just drop in a YouTube link. And that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So it tells you that the best videos are conversation-driven single speaker videos. Examples of that are video podcasts, educational videos, etc. And for this example, we're going to use video podcasts. So you can just go to youtube.com and then search up a famous podcaster. For example, we're going to do Joe Rogan. So we're just going to search up Joe Rogan podcast, David Goggins. So there's some examples here of podcasts with David Goggins, and we're just going to copy this one. So hit share and then copy the link. And this video has over 11 million views, so we know that it has viral material in it, and so we're going to copy it and take it into Opus Clip. So now you just paste in your link and you can get the clips in one click. But there's one trick I want to show you to save your credits. With the free trial, you only start with 2 hours of free credits, and this is going to use 1 hour and 55 minutes. So once we edit this video, the AI will no longer have enough credits for us to edit anything else. So you can fix that by going here and turning this on, and basically now you can select a specific part of the video. So we're going to go into the video and just click on it, and then look for the part with these spikes where it says most replayed and where there's just big spikes of viewer retention, because that's the area where people are going to be watching the most. So that's what's most likely to go viral. So we're going to take anything from 1 hour and 13 minutes all the way to 1 hour and 38 minutes. So that way we get the most viral parts of the video and we use less of our credits. So we can just change this to 1 hour and 13 minutes to 1 hour and 38 minutes. And then we're going to only use 25 minutes of our credits instead of using all 2 hours of them. So now we'll have more credits to use for other videos. So now you can just hit get clips in one click. So what you can do with Opus Clip that makes it so good is that you can make accounts like this called joe.rogan.fans, and it's a fan account where it just uploads reels of Joe Rogan just like the ones we are going to create. They only have 27 posts in total and they have 10,000 followers. So you can get 10,000 followers with only 27 posts. So imagine how many followers you could get if you had 300 posts. Because we're getting the AI to do all the work for us, you can upload daily all the time really easily because the AI does all the editing for you. And then you can create a fan account just like this and get thousands of followers, maybe even hundreds of thousands. So then you can get sponsorships and you can sell your account. So here's an Instagram account called joe_rogan.fans that I created, where I'm gonna upload our Instagram reels just to show you how easy it is to really upload them. And the first thing we need to do is fix this profile picture. So there we go, now we have our account set up. It took me less than 5 minutes. And now I'm gonna upload our Opus Clip reels to this account. So here's what Opus Clip came up with after reviewing our video and editing it. So we got 17 different clips that we can upload to our account. And they all have scores on the likelihood that they're going to go viral by the AI. And so going all the way to the top, we have a 99 score and a clear explanation on why it will go viral. And we had to do absolutely zero work for this. So now we can play this clip.
Their whole life to find out who they are. Struggled their whole life to find out what defines.
And they have high quality text. It fits Instagram Reels, so now we can download it and upload it to our new Instagram account. Okay, so now I uploaded our reel. If we play it, it's extremely high quality.
People struggle their whole life to find out who they are. Struggle their whole life to find out what defines them.
And then we can just add a quick caption. So I'm just gonna put important words from Joe Rogan and David Goggins. And then I'm gonna add some hashtags so that we can get people to see it. Okay, so now I added some hashtags and now we can share this to our account. So now our first reel is being uploaded and we didn't have to edit anything. We just took it directly from the AI. And now we can start to get views and clicks because we have our content up. And every day you can upload one of these clips and eventually at some point, one of them is gonna go viral because they have high viral scores by Opus Clip. So in this video, I showed you 2 ways to build up an Instagram following by creating content with AI. The first way was using ChatGPT to create quotes, and the second way was using Opus Clip to edit together long-form podcast clips into short-form content to upload to Instagram Reels. Now these are both really great ways to get followers. Like I said earlier, that way eventually you can get sponsorships and sell your account to cash out and make some money from the Instagram account.